first presenter would be the youngest youngest in terms of being here inside the Faculty of Arts and Letters in the Political Science program, that is. Not exactly youngest in the terms of age. He graduated his Bachelor of Arts in Political Science at the same university. His Master of Arts in Political Science also at the same university. Needs no introduction, taking up his PhD degree in Political Science also at the same university. Dubbed as the walking encyclopedia. And he's going to enamor you and impress you with his paper entitled "The Study of the Theories and Methods Used in University Political Science Using the Historical Approach." Let us welcome Professor Alfredo Suqueta Jr.
I am very humbled by the introduction, and I feel that younger because of that. I have to apologize for several cases. At first, I do not have a PowerPoint presentation. Not because I am lazy, because of sleep deprivation. Honestly speaking, I only finished this paper 6 hours ago. And, because of cramming, it's not really something to be proud of, you know. And students will not be encouraged to do so. Second, unfortunately, the walking encyclopedia does not have a spell check or a grammar check. So I do apologize for any misplaced subject-verb agreement or for the title of the paper, as pointed by our esteemed coordinator, is a study of the theories and methods used in university science. Appropriately, I gave it the Latin title, Veritas et Theoria. Of course, Veritas speaking for the truth, and Theoria meaning a method of understanding. Now, political science has always been, as you have seen in my career, the only thing I have been doing for the past 10 years or so, you know, undergrad political science, master's in political science, PhD in political science, research, surveys, seminars, more political science. You know. I feel sometimes my red blood cell is filled with political science. However, having said that, it only reflects perhaps on the, not only on the link, not only on the experience that I have had with political science, but also that it has become more than a job.
Thank you, Professor Suqueta. We would like to acknowledge the presence of the University Chair of Social Sciences, Dr. Fernando Pedrosa. Our next paper presenter is well known in the circles of our third year and fourth year political science majors. He graduated his bachelor's degree at De La Salle University and his doctorate degree in the National University of Singapore. The paper that he is going to present is entitled Confessions of a Political Mind. Now, this is the time that you get to probe and dig deeper what exactly is this professor has in mind. Let us all welcome Dr. Jaime Jimenez.
Actually, dalawang beses ko hiningi yung concept paper ng activity. And maraming pag-aagam-agam sa aking isipan. Kung paano ko lalapitan yung topic, the nature of Thomasian political science. Kasi nga, sabi nga ni Dr. Lalo Pedrosa, wala ka palang itong sino, gano'n. Okay. So, and I would also like to commend Alfred Sorella's paper. And talagang makikita mo sa kanya yung dugong political science. No? Okay. Because my background, okay, I graduated from De La Salle AB Pol-Sci. But from a disciplinal orientation or disciplinal study, I shifted to a multidisciplinary area studies, that is Philippine studies, but majored in development studies. So, higher studies again, mas naging multidimensional, but still it belonged to area studies, that is Southeast Asian studies. But of course, focusing on political processes, political mobilizations of social movements. Now, the paper is entitled Confessions of a Political Mind because I think the best way to approach the topic, which is really overwhelming, is to approach it from an experiential dimension. Okay.